Alright, let's let this load up a sec. Give it a minute. Right, I should be good to go. Okay. I'm going to get into today's move. Wednesday, no trades again. I was just eyeing up a couple trades just to, see what's going on. As you can see, this would have been stopped out, but we didn't take it, so it doesn't matter. Just collect the data, obviously. So, what's the movement overall? See, I'm trying to see if we are retracing back into this range and push down further, or if we've now come down low enough. So then come up here, daily chart. Could be just a pullback before markets continue up, which is more common. Maybe that we won't see this get taken for a long time, and that we're just generating sell side as we move up for a crash in the future, maybe next year. Similar with the Nasdaq, as you know, that's the monthly fair value gap there, so it might be a little while before that gets taken. Price didn't. I mean, it traded below previous daily low, but that was at like what? Still before 12 o'clock a.m. today, and then pushed up, created a fair value gap, retrace just before a.m. session, push up, fucking little sweep here. I think traded up into an imbalance here. Or is it more visible on the S&P? This is where I was looking today mostly anyway. So fill this imbalance, come down, fill these imbalances during 9:30 open here. Price manipulates down. When I initially looked at the chart, I was thinking, fair value gap here, displace, trade back up, small move to take the previous these equal lows. The TP would have been down by a previous daily low, but there is also this imbalance here, which you can see. Price didn't quite trade into it, but it tapped the order block and then continued up. I think on the 1 minute it's a bit clearer. Yes, you can see it's inverse here, and then so I was looking at that, and then the target would have been fill this imbalance. Price instead decided on the 15 minute you can see when this comes across, just to tap it on the 15 minute before manipulating down, sweeping everyone out that got in, like that would have been, sweep everyone out, then you get the move up towards previous daily high. Break that. That's what we're looking like on the hourly. Yeah, ultimately there's no setup. My model hasn't formed here, so you could have taken trades today, but yeah, model's not formed, so I'm not getting in. I will continue to do that. It'll be like, I'll eye up a trade, but most likely if it's not my model, I'm not going to take it, just to remain consistent with the model, unless it is absolutely clear on a very high time frame. But yeah, so we're looking at this hourly. Actually, let's look at the 4 hour. Got this imbalance here, this inverse. So these are acting as draws at the moment, obviously this high. But when you look at the daily, actually 4 hour. Yeah, so depending on how the day closes, I think if the 4 hour here closes above here, we could see continuation up, but it's got to be a nice move. Same again, and ultimately that's about it for today. No trades, no capital lost, so it's not taking a trade since, what was I trading? Might have deleted them all off the charts actually. So was that, Tuesday? Yeah, I've not taken a trade since last Tuesday, I don't think. All right. I'll just check the broker statement. Ultimately, it's been quite a few days since I've got into the markets, and yeah, don't mind. And we will continue to see what price does going through the rest of the week, and I'll be back tomorrow.